Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Google Flow on your Windows desktop or laptop. By installing it as an app, you can launch Google Flow directly from your desktop or start menu without opening it in a browser every time. Let's get started. Open Google Flow. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, type flow.google and press enter. Wait for the Google Flow website to load completely. Now, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Google Chrome. Hover your mouse over Cast, Save and Share. Then click Install Pages app. A confirmation window will appear. Rename as Google Flow and click Install. Chrome will now install Google Flow as a desktop application. Once the installation is complete, Google Flow will open automatically in its own window. You can also find it later in the Start menu by searching for Google Flow. If you want quick access, right-click the app and choose Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. From now on, you can open Google Flow just like any other Windows application without opening Google Chrome first. That's it. You have successfully installed Google Flow on your Windows desktop or laptop. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.